Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1184th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, good evening. This video, the 1184th installment of these educational videos, is being brought to you on a Tuesday night for trading Wednesday, that is June 4th, 2014. Traders, as we know, futures trading can be extremely risky and cause substantial financial loss. Futures trading is not suitable for all trading accounts. All right, so first thing I want to show you is Tesla. Traders, yesterday we had a red Omni for Tesla for trading on Tuesday, so Monday night for Tuesday, and Tesla did come down, stayed below OTAPMA, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average, and has dropped below this red channel, or maybe it's a big bear flag. So Tesla is moving lower. We stayed with Tesla. We are expecting Tesla to have, hopefully, a down day again on Wednesday. So if we get what we expect tomorrow, the likelihood is that this bar will end up looking somewhat like this, if not a little lower, and we'll work our way lower in Tesla. So that's the first chart, and bravo for technical analysis, right? That worked out really well. Calling this for Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's see what happens. Or Monday night for Tuesday. We'll see what Wednesday is going to give us. All right, so now let's move on over to something possibly a little more important than Tesla. Traders, as we know, the Russell has been in what we think is a bull flag. It has been stuck below OTAPMA, once again, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average. It has been stuck below it for quite some time. However, it seems to bounce in between the 200 bar moving average and the OTAPMA from time to time. The bounce, right? Boom, back down. But then it gets through it. Can't quite get up to it. Gets through it again. Starts to have trouble under it. Then we get above the 200, but bang, right into OTAPMA once again. So is this a bull flag? Is this bouncing between the 200 bar moving average and the OTAPMA? Or will we find out that this is not a bull flag, and in fact, maybe what we're looking at, let's say we move this bull flag out of here, maybe what we're looking at once again is the fact that we're staying under OTAPMA and the market can't move higher. So, for trading on Wednesday, at the onset of trading on Wednesday, we're going to start off with a neutral. We've got a neutral Omni to start the trading day off, OMNIacs. Let's see where it will go. We will follow it. It's not quite neutral. In fact, it is a double-sided. It's a double-sided Omni that we have for trading on Wednesday, and I think that that's a smart way to look at this. We have a double-sided Omni. So what does that mean? That means that we're going to probably take a sell trade first, have the market come down, and then maybe end up taking a buy trade. We are starting off neutral with the double-sided Omni, and we are probably going to take the sell side first, wait for the market to reach an achievable level, exit the sell, and then see if it's worth buying. So double-sided Omni starting off the day. Here's what the Russell looks like. It certainly looks like it could move a little lower, even if in fact this is a bull flag. So we'll see how that goes. Then let's move out to another interesting chart, traders, the Dow Jones Transportation Average. It's been inside of, as you can see clearly, it has been inside of this channel, right? Top to bottom to top to bottom, almost top, bottom, top, bottom, top. But it's starting to run into the top and run out of steam. On Tuesday, it backed off. Now, it's still inside of these F flags, I like to call Oscar's F flag. We're still inside of the F flag and respecting it, but at the same time, it looks like it could very well come down a little bit. We need to be very careful here. If it comes off a little, it could come off a lot. So we have a two-sided Omni. We're starting with the sell side, and then if it drops a little bit, we'll think about possibly going long. Double-sided Omni. That takes care of the tranny. It takes care of the Russell. You've seen Tesla. Let's go look at one other chart, traders, another interesting chart. We've got the German DAX, daily bar. Once again, inside of one of these channels, right, bouncing around from bottom of the channel up to the top, down to the bottom, up to the top, down to the bottom, up to the top in the form of an F flag. But look here. Here's where it gets slightly more interesting. It fell out of the flag as of the close on Tuesday. So we'll see what's going to happen. If the DAX starts to move lower on Tuesday night leading into Wednesday, certainly the S&P will probably follow it in the evening, because mainly in the evening we find the S&P follows the DAX, and then it reverses during the day and the DAX follows the S&P. So during the evening when Europe is open, we can easily find a DAX bar to look like this, which should possibly make the S&P go lower. So we do have our double-sided Omni. We'll see which side we're going to play. It looks like the sell side is setting up first, and then we'll see if there is going to be a buy. So traders, don't forget, the Tesla seems to be working out quite well. We are looking for lower. I'd like for you to join me at livewithoscar.com. Come to my free trading rooms. I have a free live chat room where I am at the helm, and I will show you these charts and teach you the art of technical analysis. Traders, always try to keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do with helping yourselves, keeping your emotions at bay, is to say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll see you at livewithoscar.com.